This video shows you how to use the reminders functionality in the ePropertyCare web application. So first, go to beta.ePropertyCare.com and then log into your account. So in this home screen here, you could get to the reminders section here at the top, or by clicking the reminders tab here in the main screen to get to the reminders detail page. So here we have the 3 reminders that we have active for the properties that I have in the ePropertyCare system. So if I click on any of these jobs, they'll take me to the details. So this allows me to change the reminder description, change the property, change the reminder date, and change the reminder frequency. So the reminder frequency allows you to set a week, month, or year, and the frequency with which you want to have it. So in this case, the reminder went out on January 28th. So once the reminder goes out, this will get updated to April 28th because I have 3 months selected. If I had 1 year selected, this will change to 1/28/2020 to remind me for the next session. So once I make those changes, I could click Save Changes here or delete the reminder if I no longer need it. So I'm going to save the change here. The reminders are all filterable by property. So if you have multiple properties with us, you could choose this to filter out the reminders for a given property. If you want to schedule a new reminder, click on the Schedule Reminder button here at the top. And this will allow you to enter the description, select the property, the date, the frequency, and then enter notes about the reminder. Finally, if you have a reminder that is already created, you could turn this into a job by clicking Schedule Work. So if you click this, it will automatically convert the reminder into a repair request and log in the basic data that you put into the reminder. So if you move through these screens, it will then allow you to easily submit a work request to turn this reminder into a job when you're too busy to do it yourself. So this gives you a basic functionality of the reminders function for the ePropertyCare web application. Thank you for watching.